In this video, let's practice few more examples on Turbo Extract. First example is fetch contact details for given account name. In last video, we have fetch contact details irrespective of any account name. So let's see how we can achieve this. Create one new DataRaptor Turbo Extract to fetch contact details for provided account name. Interface type is Turbo Extract. As I explained in the last video, in the Extract tab, select an option, select object. So we want to fetch contact details, so hence contact object. Extract output path, contact list. Here you can give any variable name which will hold all the records. Filter condition, account ID. In last video, account ID not equals to null, that was the filter condition. Here account name is provided, so we need to write here account dot name equals to ACME. ACME is a specific account name as we are hard coding it, so give it in a single quote. If I want to display contact name, search here contact name, display it. I want contact email as well. Now let's see in the preview section. We are able to see some contact records. How many are there? In the debug log, we can see 5 contact records specific to account ACME. But here we are not able to see account name. Go to the Extract tab. In the related object section, select contact.account. In the search field, type name. You should be able to see account.name. Now check in the preview section. Yes, these are the contact records where some information from the contact object and other information is from the account object. Account name, account ID. Now let's see second example. Second example says extract contact details for provided account name as input variable from other components. Here ACME was given a specific account name. Now we have not given any specific account name, but the name of the account will be provided in terms of input variable. Now let's see how can we achieve this. Now input variable will come from any other components. For example, if the input variable name is account name, so simply type here the variable name, account name. This account name variable value will be given by any other component. So type here. What does this filter condition says? Fetch contacts where account.name is equals to account name. But what's the value of account name? That will be given by other components. For this DataRaptor, to practice it or to test it, we can add the value of that account variable in the input parameter section. Add here one pair, account name. This is the same variable which will be provided by other components and same we are using in the filter condition. For testing purpose, add here value of this account name variable as a ACME and we should be able to see some records here. Yeah, same 5 records we are able to see. If you want to change any account name here, we can change it. For example, let's add this one. Yes, for this specific account we are able to see 2 records. In this way, now this become a generic one. For any account, we should be able to see the contact records. The first example was specific to ACME. That's not the best practice, but this kind of practice is expected while developing the DataRaptor in the project. Now let's see one more example. Extract contact details. This same as the example 2, but the additional part is display records created by logged in user. Now all these records are present in the arc created by any other user. Now we want to see contact records created by the specific user and that is a logged in user. So how can we achieve this? Go to the Extract tab in the filter condition and we want to achieve this condition as well, the another condition. What is it? Created by. So we can use this field created by ID equals to logged in user. How to mention logged in user here? We can use velocity environment variable like $. velocity dot user ID. Now this environment variable holds the logged in user ID. Now that logged in user ID is used in the filter condition so that we should be able to see the records created by that logged in user. We are able to see these two contact records for the logged in user. If you want to test or verify this in better way, you can create another user in this org and create few records for that user and try to run this DataRaptor in the context of that specific user. Then you should be able to see all the records created by that user as an output of this DataRaptor. In this way, we can practice DataRaptor Turbo Extract. Here are some sample interview questions that you can practice. Feel free to comment your answer. Thank you for watching.